Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change server and change town in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before you start the game, you can see this option. Okay, and also this one. If you want to change your server, you can select this menu. Okay, then you can select the server that you want to join, but I'm not gonna do that because a lot of people say that we will lose our data if we change our server. Okay, I'm going to close that. And if you want to change the town, you can click on this menu. Okay, then you can choose friends town, all towns, or your town. And I'm going to select all town, and here you can choose which town you want to join. Then you just need to click on go. Okay, and wait, I'm still joining the town. Okay, I've already joined the town I have selected guys. And if you want to change your town again, you can go back to the previous menu. You can open up your watch, go to the settings, and you're going to click on return to login. Okay, then you can change your town or your server in Heartopia game. Okay guys, and that's how we can change server and change town in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.